Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.